video, I will show you how to verify your age on Roblox. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Roblox first like this. And next, after opening your Roblox, go and click here on More. Scroll this list and click right now on Settings and go to Account Information. So after that, it's going to take you to this page. Right now you have to scroll this list little down and you will see here verify my age, click, and you have to write your email here. So after that, click on continue, and right now it's going to take you to add like identity verification. You have to prepare a valid ID like a driver license, passport or card or resident permit, and click on start session. And right now click on before you start, you have to do all these steps and click begin verifying and click. So right now you have to select your country and your government ID and click select. And right now choose, for example, for me I will use my national ID. Click on it, and right now just take your picture here. You have to take the picture of your national ID. Just click here, and you have to add or take pictures, and that's all, guys. So if you have any question, just type it down in comments, and bye.